This tutorial will help you time events in Mr. Bit programs for the microbit. We start with a simulation of the microbit in run mode. The instruction in the program script indicates that after pressing button A, the LED image switches off after 3 seconds. You can see how to control the time in design mode. Click the Control module to show the editing tabs, then click Until. The Until setting makes the last part of the instruction for 3 seconds. Drag a line from the Until tab to the Time tab. The dialog shows how to choose the time. Let's adjust this to 1 second and check how it works in run mode. Now, back in design mode, let's add another instruction to show a second image after the first. Click Add Instruction and select a simple control. Drag a link from the Outputs tab to the LEDs. Here you can create a new image in the grid and give it a name. Again, see how it works in run mode. Notice that after the second instruction, the program is ready for the first instruction again. The control module performs both instructions in a loop. Here is how to introduce a pause or delay between the two images. Return to design mode, click the module, and notice that the second instruction is highlighted ready for editing. This time, drag a line from the When tab to the Time tab. The instruction now indicates the delay before the image shows. Reduce this to 1 second. Run mode will show how this works. Now for a challenge. See how you can adapt the system to use different inputs and outputs with components connected to the microbit. The idea is to make a buzzer sound for 1 second twice when an external button gets pressed. Start by deleting the microbit button and LEDs. Create a button from the Inputs gallery and a buzzer from the Outputs gallery. Click the module for editing. Highlight the first instruction, link When to the button and Outputs to the buzzer. That's the first instruction sorted. Now highlight the second instruction and link Outputs to the buzzer. Drag a line from Until to Time and reduce the time to 1 second. That's done. The program script looks complete, so let's test it in run mode. You can now try this in real life. You need a button and a buzzer. The connections are shown in the Connections view. Pin 0 and 3 volts for the button, pin 1 and ground for the buzzer. All is now ready for control mode.